Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner, and this session is designed to help alleviate the symptoms of skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. This is not a replacement for medical treatment, but a powerful unconscious reprogramming session to support your body's natural healing process. If there are any distractions, whether external sounds, notifications, or even your own thoughts, they will not take your focus away. In fact, each time you hear a distraction, you will immediately return to this session and go even deeper, reinforcing these healing suggestions effortlessly. Now, let's begin. Your eyes can be closed now. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your body settling into comfort, relaxing completely with every breath. You become lighter, more open, more receptive to healing. Now, imagine yourself in a lush, vibrant forest. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of earth and greenery. You hear the soothing sounds of leaves rustling, birds singing. This is a place of deep healing. As you walk through the forest, you come upon a waterfall. Pure, clear, and gentle. This is no ordinary waterfall. It holds powerful, restorative energy, capable of cleansing and renewing every cell in your body. Step under the waterfall now, feeling the warm, soothing water washing over you. As it flows down your head, your face, your neck and shoulders, it removes any tension, stress, and stagnation. As it moves over your arms, torso, and legs, it gently washes away anything that no longer serves you. This is a deep purification. The water carries away inflammation, irritation, and any energetic blockages contributing to your skin condition. You feel lighter, cleaner, as your skin absorbs this healing energy. Now, as you stand under this healing water, allow your subconscious mind to open and receive the deeper suggestions that will follow in a moment. It is known that often skin problems have some connection to the past. Things that happened, remained unresolved, whether they happened to you or people around you, whose energy and stories you could have absorbed while growing up. Your subconscious mind now scans your past, identifying any stored emotional energy connected to your skin condition. Any unresolved grief, resentment, shame, anger, guilt, or inherited emotional patterns. Whether from childhood caregivers or even generations before you, they are now being brought to your awareness for healing purposes only. Don't think about them. They may surface as images, words, or energies, or abstract things. No need to analyze or try to understand any of it. If nothing comes to mind, that's perfectly okay. Just remain silent and allow the process to unfold. The real work is happening now, deep within your unconscious mind. Your wise mind is reviewing them, processing them, and rewriting their influence on your body. Yes, without you knowing how, your wise mind is reviewing them, processing them, and rewriting their influence on your body. Let it happen now. At a deep unconscious level, you are truly healing now. You are letting go of emotional burdens that no longer serve you. With each exhale, any old energy, any hidden emotional stress is dissolving and releasing from your body. Just take a moment now to stay present to this energetic healing that has been activated. Silence is healing you now. Food is your source of healing too. You are tuning into your body's inner wisdom. It knows what to eat and what to stay away from. For your own health, you are naturally drawn to foods that nourish and heal your skin. Your body's intelligence guides you effortlessly toward the right choices. Foods that reduce inflammation, support gut health, and promote clear, balanced skin. You trust your inner wisdom, and your body responds with ease, helping you naturally eliminate anything that does not serve your healing. Take a deep breath and feel your body for a moment. Acknowledge it with deep honor and self-awareness. Life will happen with its ups and downs, you know it. Stress is part of life. From now on, your body and mind respond to stress differently. Stress no longer manifests through your skin. Instead, you naturally remain centered, calm, and emotionally balanced. You will discover more and more of this natural sense of Zen within you. An unshakable inner peace that cannot be disturbed by any turbulence. Feel this center now. You are grounded in your stoic, solid, and undeniable strength. You cultivate a deep sense of inner peace, knowing that nothing can overwhelm you. Your nervous system is relaxed, your immune system is strong, and your skin remains clear and unaffected by external stressors. Now, visualize your skin clearing, healing, and regenerating. See the redness fading, the irritation calming. The texture becoming smooth and healthy. Imagine each cell renewing itself. Rebuilding stronger, healthier, and more resilient than ever before. Feel the sensation of comfort and relief spreading across your body, your skin looking vibrant, radiant, and fully restored. Now, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud, reinforcing the healing process deep within your subconscious mind. I am healing from the inside out. My skin is clear, healthy, and vibrant. I release all emotional burdens from my past. My body knows how to restore. Every cell in my skin regenerates in perfect harmony. I nourish my body with foods that support my healing. I am deeply in tune with my body's needs. Stress no longer affects my skin. I remain calm and balanced. My immune system is strong and working in my favor. I trust my body's intelligence to bring me back to full health. My skin is comfortable, free from irritation or inflammation. I feel good in my body, in my skin. I radiate health and confidence. Every day I am healing and improving. My body is in perfect harmony and balance. I am free from all limitations and past influences. My skin is smooth, hydrated, and glowing with health. I trust in my healing and welcome my transformation. Now let these affirmations settle deep into your subconscious. Feel them integrating, effortlessly transforming your body and mind. When you come to being fully awake, your skin continues to heal. Your body is responding, adapting, and renewing. You are already stepping into a new chapter of health and well-being. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. You may continue resting or gently open your eyes, carrying this deep healing energy with you into the rest of your day. This is Elena with HypnoCloud. For more deep healing and transformative sessions, visit hypnocloud.com. Take care and be well.